Hi, I'm Rachel. In the previous lab, we learned that sound is generated by back and forth movement. One magnet can move another magnet. If I replace one of the permanent magnets with an electromagnet, I can move the second magnet by changing the polarity of the electromagnet. An electronic oscillator can also be used to change the polarity of an electromagnet. Let's start at about 3 Hz. Now let's increase the rate at which the oscillator moves the permanent magnet. Now let's increase the rate at which the oscillator moves the permanent magnet back and forth. At slower speeds, we can see the individual back and forth movements of the permanent magnet. But if I increase the rate to several hundred times a second, the individual movements are no longer visible. However, if I put my finger on the magnet housing, I can feel the vibration of the back and forth movement. I can also hear an audible tone. Now let's place a paper cone on one end of the permanent magnet. The cone moves a greater volume of air, resulting in a louder sound. Loudspeakers use the same principle to reproduce sound. Now let's play some music through the speaker. It isn't high fidelity, but you can definitely hear the words of the song. Have fun exploring!